Welcome to channel. Today we explore how finance connects with the daily life of an engineer and how the mindset of building systems can also guide financial discipline. Engineers are trained to think in terms of structure, process, and optimization, and those same skills can be applied to managing resources in life and work. When an engineer designs a bridge, every calculation matters, every material choice has consequences, and every timeline must be respected. In finance, the same principle applies. Every decision about spending, saving, or allocating resources has ripple effects that shape the future. Engineers often begin with a blueprint, and in finance the blueprint is a plan for how resources will be used over time. This plan is not about speculation or chasing trends, it is about clarity and control. Just as an engineer ensures that a machine runs smoothly by checking each component, a person can ensure financial stability by checking each expense and aligning it with long-term goals. The engineer knows that ignoring small cracks can lead to collapse later. In the same way, ignoring small leaks in spending can lead to larger problems down the road. Discipline is another trait engineers carry into finance. When working on a project, deadlines are strict and resources are limited. The same discipline can be applied to personal or professional financial management. Setting boundaries on spending and sticking to them is like respecting the limits of materials in a design. If a beam can only carry a certain load, it must not be exceeded. If a budget can only carry a certain expense, it must not be exceeded. This mindset prevents stress and ensures sustainability. Problem solving is central to engineering, and finance benefits from the same approach. When faced with a challenge such as balancing resources for a new project or managing unexpected costs, the engineer does not panic. Instead, they analyze the situation, break it into smaller parts, and design solutions. Finance requires the same calm analysis when expenses rise unexpectedly or when resources must be redirected. The key is to treat the situation as a puzzle rather than a crisis. Communication is also vital. Engineers must explain complex designs to teams, clients, and stakeholders. In finance, clarity of communication is equally important. Explaining goals to family members or colleagues ensures everyone understands the plan and works together towards stability. Without clear communication, misunderstandings can lead to wasted resources or conflict, just as a poorly explained design can lead to construction errors. Engineers value efficiency, and finance thrives on efficiency too. Reducing waste is a priority in both fields, whether it is energy wasted in a machine or money wasted on unnecessary items. Efficiency means more resources are available for what truly matters. Engineers streamline processes to save time and energy, and individuals can streamline spending to save resources for meaningful goals. Risk management is another shared principle. Engineers calculate safety margins to ensure structures remain secure under stress. Finance requires similar margins. Setting aside reserves for emergencies ensures that unexpected events do not cause collapse. Engineers know that redundancy in design adds security, and finance benefits from redundancy too. Having multiple sources of resources or backup plans provides resilience. Innovation is part of engineering, and finance can embrace innovation as well. Engineers look for new methods, materials, and designs to improve outcomes. In finance, innovation can mean finding creative ways to allocate resources or adopting new tools for tracking and managing expenses. The spirit of experimentation leads to progress, but just as engineers test prototypes before full deployment, financial innovations should be tested carefully before full adoption. Time management is crucial in engineering projects, and finance also depends on time awareness. Engineers schedule tasks to meet deadlines and avoid delays. Finance requires scheduling too. Aligning resource use with timelines ensures that goals are met, whether it is preparing for education, planning for retirement, or simply ensuring monthly stability. Time awareness prevents last-minute stress and keeps progress steady. Engineers often work in teams, and finance benefits from teamwork as well. Collaboration ensures that different perspectives contribute to stronger solutions. In a household or organization, involving everyone in financial planning creates shared responsibility and reduces conflict. Engineers know that teamwork builds stronger structures, and finance proves that teamwork builds stronger futures. Adaptability is another trait engineers develop. Projects often face unexpected challenges, and adjustments must be made. Finance requires adaptability too. When circumstances change, plans must be revised without losing sight of long-term goals. Flexibility ensures survival and growth. Engineers redesign when conditions shift, and finance requires redesign when life shifts. Ethics guide engineering decisions. Safety and responsibility are non-negotiable. Finance also requires ethics. Honesty, transparency, and responsibility ensure trust and stability. Without ethics, both engineering and finance collapse. Engineers protect lives with their designs, and finance protects futures with responsible choices.